y minus y square minus y minus 12. Y square minus y minus 12. So, Maisha, the procedure is you have to multiply this constant term with the coefficient of y square. Coefficient of y square is how much? Nothing before y square means it is 1. So, 1 into minus 12. How much? Minus 2. The procedure is this. So, now you can just forget about the minus sign of 12 and just 12 factors you should search now. Factors means 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Now, among these possibilities, which of their sum or difference is equal to 1? Where from 1 came? 1 is the middle term coefficient. So, middle term y before nothing is 1. That is means which of these two factors, if you add or subtract, you will get 1. So, if you say 12 plus 1, 13, 12 minus 1 is 11. That it's not possible. Next one is 2 plus 6 is 8, 6 minus 2 is 4. That is not coming. 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 minus 3 is 1. So this thing, 3 and 4 we should take into consideration. Now how to split this minus y is using this 3 and 4. We have to write it as minus 4x minus 4y plus 3y minus 12. Means where from minus plus these minus plus we need to arrange later. Like here I have to get minus 1 in the middle. Minus 1 means minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. And if you multiply minus 4 and minus 3, minus 4 and plus 3, you will get this minus 12, which I was telling before this sentence. So using these factors, we will select that minus 4 and 2.
Yes, sir.
So 3, 4 sums, if we do, we will understand it much better. So simply we'll multiply the constant term with the coefficient of x square, that whatever answer we get, that number's using the factors of that number, we will split this middle term. So minus y, we splitted it as minus 4y plus 3. Then minus 4 plus 3 only y, because some students will ask, no, minus 3 plus 2 is also minus 1 only. No. But minus 3 into 2 is not coming, minus 3 into 2 will not come as minus 2. We should get the product, whatever the numbers we are splitting in the middle, their product should be equal to the end terms one, and the sum or difference should be equal to the middle one. So that is the reason why like this we should split. Now we will simply take common over.
Okay, sir, I understood.
So from this we can take y into y minus 4 and a plus 3 into y minus 4. Now overall we will get y minus 4 common into y. Here y is left and a plus 3 is left. So y minus 4 into y plus 3 is the factorized form of y square minus y plus minus 12. So Pranavi, before when you said that here you said first plus 3y minus 4y, that is also correct.
Okay, sir.
So this is a factorized form of this. Now we will arrange all of them together. They're asking us to divide that 15 into y plus 3 into y square minus 16. Seventh
Sir,
question.
so since we cancel out 15 and 5, it will be 3 into y plus 3.
Yes, Pranavi, that is correct. So shall I delete this, Pranavi and Pranavi?
Yes, sir.
Pranavi and
Sir, 1 minute.
okay, so I'll remember. So this is just y square minus y minus 12 part. Now we have to go back to the question and we have to substitute them. In the place of y square minus y minus 12, we should write it as y minus 4 into y plus. Actually, here outside some noises are from my side. So Pranavi, Maisha, shall I delete this?
Sir, yes.
Okay, Maisha. So now what I'm doing is, Maisha, seventh one, I'm rewriting the question like this. 15 is 15 only. Y plus 3 is
Y plus 3 because you can't factorize it.
yes, Pranali, that is correct. 15 is 15. Y plus 3 is Y plus 3 only. And already y square minus 16, we factorized it as y minus 4 into y plus 4, Maisha, before
Yes.
mentioned. So y minus 4 into y plus 4, because it can be expressed as y square minus 4 square, which looks like a square minus b square. We minus b into a plus b, whole divided by 5 into this one. Just now before we factorized it, we got it as y minus 4 into y plus 3. Now, if you observe, this is same like, for example, if you have numbers like this, 5 by 5 into 6 by 1 into 5 into 6, we'll cut, numbers like that.
Good.
Here it's everywhere multiplication between the terms in the numerator and denominator. We can see everywhere brackets, which means multiplication between them. So this y
Sir,
plus 3, you can cut
y
y
plus
minus 3, you can cut.
minus 4 and 5 and 15 also.
Yes, Pranavi, that is correct. 5 1 is a 5 3 is a. So leftover term will be the result, which we'll call it as quotient of the division. So whatever long division when we do on the top, we will get, no, that only is this. That
Sir,
is the quotient of the
our
division,
teacher
whatever
said
result we
that
call quotient. Yes, Pranavi.
our teacher said that you're not supposed to multiply 3 into y plus 4.
Yes, Pranavi, we will leave it like this only. Because generally when you get the answer as 3y plus 12, we will take 3 common and we'll write it as the answer. So since anyways here directly we got 3 common, we will leave it like this only.
Okay.
3 into y. Suppose if you get any answer like this in any of the sum, 3y plus 12, we will take 3 common and we will end the answer.
Okay.
3 into y plus 4. Yes, Pranali. But here anyways 3 is outside and 1 by plus, so we'll leave it like this. So the next one, shall I delete this?
Yes, sir.
The answer is 3 into y plus 4. So seventh, eighth one. So Maisha wants to read the eighth question. I'm deleting this. Maisha. Maisha, you're in mute, Maisha. Pranavi wants to read the
Yes,
eighth
sir.
question. Okay, Maisha wants to
Yes,
read the
sir.
eighth question, Maisha.
Yes, sir. The area of a square is given by 4x square plus 12xy y plus y square. Find the side of the square.
So Maisha and Pranavi, we know that area is nothing but if it is a square, when you multiply the same number with itself, we will get the area, no? That is generally the side into side, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here, if suppose area is, yes or no? X square is, if suppose x is the side of the square, x square is the area, because side into side, like that. So x square is the area means its factors, that is x into x. Individually, this x is called as the side of that square. So when we factorize this particular area, we will get the side actually. Because the reason is two things which are same things when multiplied with itself, like we got this, no? Area of
Yes,
square
sir.
meaning is that only, no? So, like one same polynomial, if you multiplied with itself, we got this. Because reason is because area of square meaning is like when side is multiplied with side, you will get the area as 9. Means what, this 9 is the product of two same numbers. So like that, to write it back like 3 into 3, it's
We
nothing
need
but
to
factorization.
factorize.
Yes, Pranavi. So here this expression, if we factorize, whatever two things we get, no, those two things will be same, and that one of those will be the side of the square. Okay.
Yes.
So because reason is Pranami.
Sir,
So
actually
whatever the
here
things
there
we
are only three terms, right? So which two terms do we take it as common?
so Pranami, whenever trinomial is there, either splitting the middle term or we should search for a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. If a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square is not possible, splitting the middle term, trinomial.
Okay.
Okay, Pranami? Yes, Pranami. Because reason is if we take these two also, again that one will be left alone and plus will be there. So we cannot factorize. Or the other two if you take also. So either splitting middle term or first we should check for whether that can be whether in that question a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square can be applied. If that is not applied, we should split this middle term by looking at the product of this. So now what we will do is first I'll check for a plus b whole square. Why not a minus b whole square? Because in a minus b whole square one minus will be there in the middle or some because a square b square will be positive, but minus 2ab term will be negative. But here no negative sign is there, a minus b whole square is not possible. So I'll check a plus b whole square. If that is also not possible, then we'll split the middle term. So now what I will do is I'll write 4x square as 2x whole square and 9y square as 3y whole square. Now what I will do is according to me, I'll consider this as 2a and this as b in my brain or in the rough space. Now what I will do is 2ab I'll write. According to me, a is 2x, b is 3y. I'll multiply this and check the if middle term will come means I'll just keep as it is here. So 2 2 is a 4, 4 3 is a 12, xy it came. So 12xy is nothing but 2 into 2x into 3y. Now we can see if you multiply this, you'll get this only. And 2x whole square is 4x square only. 3y whole square is 4y square only. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, but a is 2x whole square. But here in 2ab, you wrote a has only 2x.
No, Pranavi. A is 2x only. Because reason is 2x whole
Oh,
square
okay,
will
okay.
become 4x.
Sorry. Yeah, got it. Never mind.
Yes, Pranavi. So Maisha, you have any doubt in this? So Maisha?
Sir, so what's the next step?
Yes, Pranavi. Now from this, what we'll
Oh,
write is
okay.
simply we will write this is of the form.
A square plus b
This is of
square plus b whole square.
a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b whole square. So by
2x
observation,
plus
clearly a
3y
is
whole
2x,
square.
b is 3y. So answer is 2x plus 3y whole square. Since we require the side, we'll write this as 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y.
Sir, so side is
Okay.
equal to 2x plus 3y.
Yes, Pranali, that is correct. So side of the square is 2x plus 3y. So some teachers will do like this. Area is 4x square, means some school teachers. So area is equal to 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. No, they'll take side as some s. So s square is equal to this. No, s is equal to square root of this. Means whatever after we do factorization, you will get this thing there. Then square and root they'll cut it and they'll tell the side as 2x plus 0. Once you get whole square, square and root will get cut, no? But anyways, not a problem because this only is better as of now. So whenever they give area of because this thing once we get there, square root, no, root will get cut. Side will get. It's like this. For example, area is equal to 36. X square is equal to 36. X is a side. So x is equal to square root of 36 will write. No, then 36 square root 6 square means square root will get cut, 6 will get like that.
Oh, okay,
So
sir.
whichever is comfortable for that. Here 2x plus 3y whole square will come here. That square and root will get the 2x plus 3y is the side. So simply to tell, this is only the better, the one which I did first. So here what we should do, first we should check whether this thing can be written in the form of a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square in this following way. First, if you observe here, if everyone of you observe here, 4x square and 9y square, a square and b square, I wrote it first actually. After that, I just checked the delta to ab in the rough space. I check first x into 3y, that will come equal to, write it there, and directly we'll say that this is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, and we'll write a minus b whole square over.
Okay, sir.
So sorry, a plus b whole 2x plus 3y whole square, which is 2x plus 3y. The answer is okay. So then again, measure shall we go to the next one? Side is 2x plus 3y finally. Side of the square.
Okay. Oh, sir, actually it's 838.
Oh my God. Very zero. Big join, so I also see the time. Okay, fine. So my Pranavi, from this question shall we do it in our
Okay.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Pranavi,
sir.
bye. Okay, bye.